Hi and welcome to this little tutorial guide of the Smart Lab Architects. Here we have a lot of power plugs and we build a lot of power plugs. So I want to show you a little overview of what you're getting. 220 volts, 16 ampere, the regular power plug that you know, Schuko-Stecker we say. The next one here has a lot of more power. It has 400 volt Drehstrom or 20 power. It has 16 ampere as well. This is usually your dishwasher, your oven at home. If you need more power, you get this one. One level further is this here. You can always see here on the thing here how much amps it has. This is 32 amps. It has a different plug. You see, it's bigger, so that you can never mix them. Yeah, this is usually used for steam generators or when you need quite decent big machines. This is usually the maximum you'd need. In some rare cases, you need these bad boys. This is 63 amps and 400 volts. That's usually the biggest. If you have very, very large machines that need heat, or like big steam generators, for example, the largest ones would get this here. Or if you have other machines that really require tons and tons of power, that's when you get this. Usually, however, if you get this kind of plugs, you also have to put in place a thicker power line for your house, because that's, well, you can connect the house to this. So yeah, little overview, little idea of how these plugs look like. Usually you will use these, in some rare cases those. Bye bye.